Okay, so today we're going to take you guys on a campus tour and to let you see what's around our campus and what's outside of it, and also what we do here every day.
Right, and we know that a lot of you might be coming over next semester or the next few semesters, so we hope that this video will help you out.
Okay, let's go guys.
Let's go.
Okay, so right now, as you can see, we're actually gonna grab some lunch and we're making our orders through this machine. So this is the building where you can go to the cafe, restaurants, and also the convenience store. Outside the main gate, you can see subway exits 1 and 6. There is also a bus stop just right in front. You can take the bus anywhere that you like. So that was the front part of the campus. Now we're gonna go to the back gate and head to the grocery store.
Bananas the cheapest in Korea, so I eat a lot of them, especially Amelia.
let's see. There's a hidden spot. So where we put our food, there's a fridge. All the food inside. There's our stuff that we put here. And on this side is our beds. And our desk. This desk is actually no one's because like there's only 2 of us, so this is my bed. Some socks in case I get cold at night. My roommate's place, table. This is my table. Okay, I've got like stuff and snacks. Oh, I don't know what it is. And this is where I do my work. My laptop, phone, and all my skincare, other stuff, hand sanitizers. Yeah, I just love them. And snack place. I put on my food. So if we walk to the window, you can see like the view of the city. Not a really good weather today. Everything's all blurry. Should be able to see Namsan Tower. That blurry spot right there. Yeah.
Hello, so we're back in the dorm and I'm bringing you guys to level 14, which is the boys' dorm. Yeah, let's go. 안녕하세요. Okay, so this is the boys' dorm. We take up half of level 14, I guess. And yeah, everything's here. Looks pretty clean. We have a water dispenser, which is really useful. Cold water, hot water. And this is mine. Okay, we also have a simple kitchen, which is open from 6 to 11. Yeah, there's a microwave, 2 electric cookers. These stuff are not for public use. I made a mistake once. And oh yeah, sometimes you get free drinks. And yeah, it's pretty simple. There's also a laundry room, which is really useful because you can dry your clothes, and then there are 4 washers and 2 dryers. Each you have to pay like 1,000 won per use. Yeah, and they only accept coins or notes. Oh, there's also a vacuum cleaner, which I think I've only used twice before. Okay, so let's go to my room. We have our study rooms, study areas where people usually come here to study and hang out, I guess. And yeah, the view looks like this. Welcome to my crib. So, my roommates. Hi Vincent, hi Hegal. Yeah, so these are my roommates. In a guy's room, there's usually 4 in a room, but there's one guy that is missing. Yeah, we've been waiting for you for so long, but he's missing, so we use his place. Okay, so the girls' floor, they have 3 in a room, so they get their own single beds, but we have our bunk beds. And yeah, you get something like this. You can put your stuff over here. Each bed has their own socket, electricity plug. Yeah, and I use it to charge my phone. I have a night light, so I can do some nighttime reading or work. You get this beautiful view. Yeah, there's bird poop. Landed yesterday. And each person has their own wardrobe. This is mine. It's regular sized, so put everything here, hang your clothes here, and you have some extra space on top. and below. Oops, it's private. Okay. And this is my workstation slash living quarters. Each person has their own plug extension over here, which if you're coming from Malaysia, you would have to use an adapter and bring your own extension. Yeah. So it's pretty simple. I have some food stored up here, and then you also have a nightlight, which is really useful. And lastly, it's the bathroom. So this was what surprised me the most. There's a bathtub. You don't see this in Malaysian dorms. Yeah, bathtub, hot water, cold water. Really nice royal seat. And yeah, everything is here. This is a lifesaver. Without it, we would be eating tasteless food. How is it? 自己盛上自己的食物，很好吃。Okay, so that's the end of our video. We hope that what we shared here was really helpful for you guys. And to those who are traveling over here, we wish you all the best. We wish you that you have a safe journey here. Yeah.
And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more of our content. And if you have any questions or anything that you want us to film, you can put it down in the comments. And we'll see you guys next time.
Alright, bye bye.